Go, go. That's just the puppet master showing. This is fucking...
This is what happens when you lock me in closet.
Get in there. Get back in there. She's crazy, man.
She's crazy. Mr. Jangles wants out! Mr. Jangles wants out!
Oh my god.
I want this video.
Okay.
Mr. Jangles.
Hi, Mr. Jangles. It's got my hand. It's eating me. That's what I think of Mr. Jangles. That is what I think of Mr. Jangles. That's what I think of you, Mr. Jangles. Mr. Jangles is dead.
Mr. Jangles is fully alive.
Fully alive like the sex textbook?
Oh my god!
Never do that again. I think this is dead.